Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with OpenAI API using API keys step by step clearly. To authorize with the OpenAI API using API keys, start by accessing the OpenAI. Create an account if you don't have one already. Once logged in, navigate to the API section of your account. Locate the API key generation option. Click on the button to create a new API key. Copy the generated API key. Open your preferred code editor or terminal. Install the OpenAI Python library if you haven't done so. Use the command pip install OpenAI. Import the OpenAI library in your code. Set your API key as an environment variable for security. You can do this by using the command export OpenAI API key equals your API key here in Unix-based systems. For Windows, use set OpenAI API key equals your API key here. Alternatively, you can set the API key directly in your code. Use the line OpenAI.API key equals your API key here. Now, you can begin making requests to the OpenAI API. Test the authorization by sending a sample request. For example, use OpenAI completion.create with your desired parameters. If your setup is correct, you should receive a successful response from the API. In case of errors, check your API key and connection. Ensure you have internet access and that your API key is valid. You are now successfully authorized with the OpenAI API using API keys. Proceed to explore the various functionalities the API offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.